Hey, have you ever wondered how rhinos hunt and why they ended up going extinct? Well, fun fact, rhinos don't actually hunt like other animals. They're herbivores, so they mainly graze on grass, leaves, and shrubs. They're not predators at all. But unfortunately, rhinos have faced a lot of threats, mainly from humans. Habitat loss and poaching for their horns have really taken a toll on their populations. The crazy thing is, their horns are made of keratin, the same stuff our hair and nails are made of. But people still go after them like they're some kind of magic cure. Because of that, some species of rhinos are now critically endangered or even extinct. It's such a shame,